Now, a breaking news alert from News 9 WAOW.
Our thoughts and prayers are with everyone tonight.
Devastation early this morning in Tennessee as deadly tornadoes tear through parts of Nashville. Right now, we know 7 people have died, according to authorities.
And that number just rose minutes ago. In addition, 40 buildings have collapsed around the city. Right now, police are searching for injured people. Officials will survey the damage and confirm the intensity of the tornadoes later today. We will, of course, keep you covered right here on News 9.
It sounded like a freight train come through, and after it hit, we got it to go outside, and the whole back of the roof was caved in. The front of it's caved in. We have no porch, and all the houses down our street are completely gone.
And later today, more storms are expected further southeast from Alabama to the Carolinas.